Hello, I'm Chef. Welcome to The Wok Life. I'm Will, and this is my playground. In this episode, I'm going to make a Malibu rum coconut shrimp. I love Malibu rum. It's one of my favorite drinks, even though I cannot drink that much. But one day I was testing out to go with shrimp and see if I can set it on fire, and well, it did, and I was really happy about it. What was really cool is afterwards, it just burns off all the alcohol, let the sweetness comes through, and really go into the shrimp really, really well. So let's go. It's very simple ingredient. We just have shrimp, garlic, and butter, and a bit of olive oil to really crisp up the shell as well. I have to be honest, it's my first time cooking this on an induction cooker, so we'll see how it turns out. I don't think I'll be able to set it on fire, but that's always fun. Okay, the wok is hot. Get the shrimp in there. Because I am frying the shell really hard, so the shell will become nice and crispy to eat. But if you don't like the shell on, you can definitely de-shell them. It's nice color. When you have the nice charred color on both sides, this is where the butter goes in. Just put it in the middle, let it gently melt. And the garlic goes in. We're not go fast here. This is when the Malibu rum goes in. Just enough to cover about a third of the shrimp. And let's see if we can light it on fire. Oh, here we go. And it's gently on fire. All right, the alcohol is just about burned off. The excess liquid also burned out as well. Just gonna give a last bit of frying. Just make sure the shells are remaining, going back to crispy again. Before the garlic burns, I'm gonna take it off. Just pour the butter, the garlic all over the shrimp again. And this is my take of Malibu Coconut Rum Shrimp. I hope you give it a try. I think I'm gonna steal one and see how it tastes. Hot. You can still taste the sweetness from the rum and the butter, nice shell, still plunk shrimp. All works well together. I hope you give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comment. Until next time, keep on cooking. Thank you for sticking around till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video, the recipe, and also give it a try out a little bit. Feel free to join the community, leave your comments or suggestions down below. Any new ideas for new recipe you want me to try or want me to test out, happy to do it here for you. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe so you can always hear the latest from me. Thank you for dropping by The Wok Life. Doesn't work if the lighter doesn't grow.